Hello there. It's a pleasure to be here on the 10th anniversary of GIDS. This is the 9th time here in GIDS, and there's only one reason I keep coming back to GIDS. It is the developers who attend the conference. It's phenomenal. And when I give talks, after I give talks, the types of questions, the in-depth discussions they want to have, I'm just blown away. It's a great pleasure. If you catch me in the middle of the day and ask me where in the world I am, I can't tell you. It feels right being among the developers, discussing about how to improve their software process, how to improve their technical practices. GIDS brings the right set of speakers and the right set of developers, gives them a forum to really exchange ideas. I can't tell you how happy I am here to be at GIDS, and I want to thank the organizers for bringing me here. And I can't tell you, there's no better place in my opinion to be here to learn technical things than in GIDS. So happy to be here.